In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall mail in Outlook. If you've ever hit send and immediately noticed a mistake, sent the wrong attachment, or emailed the wrong person, this feature can sometimes save the day. I'll walk you through the exact path to find recall in Outlook on the web and share a few practical tips so you know what to expect. First, open Outlook in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Once your mailbox loads, head straight to your Sent Items folder. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation pane alongside Inbox, Drafts, and other folders. Everything you've just sent lives here, so this is the fastest way to locate the message you want to take back. Next, double-click the email you want to recall to open it in its own window. Don't rely on the preview or reading pane for this step. Opening the message in a separate window ensures you'll see the full set of message options you need to access the recall command. Inside that message window, look for the More Actions menu shown as three dots. It's typically near the top of the email window. Click those three dots to reveal additional controls that aren't visible on the main toolbar. This menu houses the advanced tools you'll use to attempt the recall. From the menu, choose Advanced Actions. This expands a dedicated list of less common options designed for managing a sent message. Taking this route helps you avoid digging around in settings and brings you right to the tools built for after-the-fact fixes. Now click Resend or Recall Message. You'll be prompted to choose what you want to do. If your goal is to pull the original message back, select the recall option and follow any on-screen confirmations. If you need to correct something and send a fixed version, pick Resend to open a fresh draft based on the original, make your edits or swap the attachment, and then send. A few quick notes so you're not caught off guard. Message recall only works in certain scenarios, typically within the same organization and when the recipient is also using Outlook and the message hasn't been opened yet. If the recipient uses another email service or already viewed the email, recall may not succeed. After you try it, Outlook may send you a status update so you can see what happened. If recall isn't available or doesn't work, send a polite follow-up with a clear subject line noting the correction. That's it. Send items, open the sent email, three dots, advanced actions, then resend or recall message. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.